Not a bad day, huh?
Better than most.
Going to voluntary therapy?
Yeah, I gotta see an onerologist.
No, waterologist? Let me see. What'll they think up next, huh?
Excuse me, do you know where Willamette Tower East is? Dr. Haber?
First floor, second elevator, please.
Hold it. Hello?
Yes?
I have an appointment with Dr. Haber.
Name, please.
George Orr.
Yes, Dr. Haber's expecting you. It's the last office on the right. You can hang your rain gear over there.
Thank you.
Doctor, it's the overdose.
Yes?
Dr. Haber?
Ah, Mr. Orr. It's a pleasure to meet you. Come in. Won't you have a seat? Do you smoke? The brown filters are tranks, the white are D-Nicks.
Oh, no, thank you. I don't smoke.
Good. It's stuffy enough in here already. Damn electric heating system's on the fritz again, I'm afraid.
Well, that's okay.
Don't be nervous, Mr. Orr. Your punishment's no worse than a few sessions with me. That's better. Do you have your VT card?
Oh, yes, sir.
So, mixing phenobarbital and dexedrine. Quite a dangerous concoction, wouldn't you say? Mr. Orr? You have a dream problem, don't you?
How did you know?
No great feat. I'm an onerologist, Mr. Orr, a dream specialist. They always send the dreamers to me.
Well, all I want is to stop dreaming.
May I call you George?
Yeah, I guess.
Call me Bill if you like.
Oh, that's okay.
However you feel comfortable.
Dr. Haber, what are we supposed to do here?
We're going to work together. We're going to build a relationship. You're going to let me inside, poke around, find out what's causing those bad dreams of yours. I assume that's what the problem is, bad dreams.
Sort of.
Why don't you tell me about them?
You'd think I was insane.
I make no judgments, George. I'm here to help you, and that's all. Give it a try.
Suppose I dream that there's no Dr. Haber. Now, tomorrow when I wake up, not only are you gone, but you never existed.
Pretty revealing, wouldn't you say?
Oh, well, no, I didn't mean that. Personally.
Perfectly okay. You can tell me to go to hell if you like. It's part of building our trust.
I didn't mean that.
I'd like you to lie down now, George.
What?
It's all right, go on.